Guys, it's 24 karat diamond. I haven't filmed in like a year already. So we're gonna film a slime video, and I'm here with
Rayon,
aka Pan Pan Slimy on Instagram. You can go check it out. And also my Instagram account is kitty.glam.slime. You can go check me out too and give me a follow. Anyway, we are going to make a very unique slime, and it's called champagne fizz, meaning there will be clear slime here and there will be some cloud cream here, so it'll look like champagne. First, we're gonna make this. So we're going to add some. Okay. So we're gonna add some baking soda inside the slime, and you just keep adding until it starts to come together. Okay. Yeah. Can. That amount.
yeah, test the slime is so nice.
Okay guys, I'm back. I came with a lot of snow. I think it's too much snow.
And then if it works, we just make the whole thing lah. Like, hey, I'm not playing with it. Oh.
Okay, now.
Like 1 year ago.
Okay, now we are going to decorate our slime. We have our strawberry sand because it's strawberry champagne fizz.
But then, right, this one have to be this one,
Yeah. And then we're gonna have a little bit, please. It's very strong. We're gonna have some of the red paint to make it pink. We're gonna add this as a final touch and some heart shapes on the top. So this will be for later, but now let's just focus on our paint and our scent. Okay.
And there you have it. Gonna make that.
Hey, show like sideways.
Sorry, I'm gonna feel like this. I saw your piece.
No, not your piece.
Yes. It's nice.
That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye bye.